Okay, got this in today. Had to put him on my trailer to get him here. And I think I should share the repair of this fella with you guys on YouTube. By the way, welcome to my channel. And we will have a look and just see what's under this lid. And, oh, lots of goodies in there. Lots of 45s, lots of fluff, dirt, everything. So I think the first place to start with this fella is going to be with that fella there. We definitely need to blow the dust and dirt out of this outside before I take it into the workshop. Okay, let's do this. This is what we're looking at here. Here we go. This is what we've got to deal with. And we have no turntable. Turntable motors under there. It doesn't seem to want to turn. It's free, but not turning. It's probably a common fault with these. I'm not real familiar with them. But let's get into it. Let's blow some horrible, horrible dust out of it. Right down there. It's pretty ordinary. And let's get started on the restoration.